Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to flash Vodafone Smart N9, also known as Vodafone V720. We have here one sample which we plan to reflash. Reflashing is useful when we want to change the firmware, the languages, or simply repair the phone if it's faulty and it's not starting. So in order to flash this phone, we are going to use latest version of Pack 6 OT Smart module. So first of all, I'm going to select here the module, either by typing V720 or Smart N9. So I'm going to check right factory firmware. And I'm going to select the firmware which I got from the support area. If the firmware is properly downloaded, it's going to be loaded by the software. So now all I have to do is to press connect. So once the software is going to start searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB in the powered off phone, or sometimes it's needed to press the volume down and insert the cable. If everything is okay, the software detects the phone and the flash process starts, as you can see here. So that's all. Almost 3 minutes to flash the phone. If everything is okay, the phone should start now. If not, we can power it on manually. It's going to take a while to initialize, but in rest everything is okay. So as you can see, everything is okay. Phone started. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.